them things hurt me with it, brother. Because I notice now, I have a problem with some nowadays now. Where I get up at dead, you know. Because some man you know, so when them have blood clot, they get slim. I want someone that weigh 500 pounds and a dead and 6 man have to carry. You know what size 6 man have to carry for you? I want to some boy. Some boy if you just dead at the age of 2 pounds and 3 pounds and then pound there. We are dead at 500 pounds and 1,000 pounds. With the blood clot who fill it up. You think man a crane boy?
So what them must do, ninja, stop eating, then tour in a one. This man him rush out of my house. I'm hungry like dog.
Me look hungry to you? John Crow.
How would a dirty dog you call John Crow? I drive past Donna's Caribbean restaurant. Rush in at the restaurant like say, yo, me a madman. I see one nice thick Jamaican lady I serve up. I say, alright then, serve me up a small red peas. She say, small, you need medium. You look like say she look for me and see hungry mark on my face to rot it clot. Same time, somebody say, a ninja man friend, you know, a ninja man friend. So by the time it turns so, she say, yeah man, me subscribe to your channel, me watch your videos them. Miss Gail from Donna's Caribbean restaurant located at 2901 West Commercial Boulevard, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Big up yourself.